Since we've been stuck inside the house, my niece has been asking if we can make our own Chuck E. Cheese at home. One of her favorite arcade games is the crane game, where you try to move a mechanical claw and win stuffed animals. Check out our version of the game that we made up. Alright, Angelina, ready to play?
Yeah.
1/4, please. Which direction?
North.
Stop.
Open. Down. See, Baba, how easy is that?
Good job.
Ready to play again?
Yeah.
1/4, please.
Ding.
Which direction?
East.
What you may have noticed in our version of the game is that there isn't really a mechanical claw. It's just me, holding a pair of tongs. Even if you don't have tongs, you can ask a parent or a friend to pretend that their hand is a claw, and the gameplay should be the same. The player gets the claw to move by calling out a cardinal direction, north, south, east, or west. And the person pretending to be the machine moves their arm until the player tells them to stop or changes directions. It sounds like a simple game, but it took my niece a pretty long time to get the hang of it and collect all the stuffed animals. Watch how tired my arm gets as we play through this in fast motion. If you tried the game with your family and it was too easy, try adding the intercardinal directions in the corners just to spice it up. If you add any other variations of your own, let me know about them on Seesaw. Enjoy!